Hello and welcome back to Core Finance. I'm Matt Brown. I'm joined today by Nicole Elliott, who is a technical analyst and private investor, and we're going to be talking about metals today, starting off with the old favourite, gold. Good morning, Nicole, first off.
Right, Matt.
Pleasantries.
We're going to talk about precious metals, and we're starting with gold. This is a weekly chart, a candlestick chart, and that diagonal line that you can see across the page, the screen rather, is from the record high in 2011 when gold was worth $1,920 an ounce. Well, now we're closer to 1,290, so we've switched the numbers the other way around, and that's a whopping great big 33% loss on your holdings. So, but what has happened on that break of that line, we have seen open interest in the futures contract increase very significantly. Yes. So these are new long positions, and I can see why they've done it. It's the break of that long-term trend. Now, what I also did is a horizontal from that previous intermediate high earlier this year, and that's $1,295. Now, I must say, this gold stuff has really been doing my head in this year. I have not had a good track record. I really haven't. In my heart of hearts, I kind of knew that this is not a proper bull market. This is not a bull market. Yet, as the value of the dollar has decreased, and this is priced in dollars, voila, there we go. That's how the cookie crumbles. But what I'm thinking now is that move above $1,295 was in some way a false break. Okay, we have broken the trend line, no doubt about it. That's for sure. But the bit above $1,295, $1,300, psychological $1,300,
yes, I
think it's just not really sustainable. I don't think it's going to, regardless of what the dollar's doing. Obviously, the dollar's a little bit stronger over the last 2.5 weeks, so hence the retreat in the price of gold. So you're weighing, it's a weighing scales, isn't it? Gold versus dollar, one goes up, the other goes down. So that's what we're seeing. I'm still sort of in no man's land on this one. I really wouldn't be a long-term buyer of this. I don't like the look of it. I think it's a bit of a blip here above 1,300, and I take it with a big pinch of salt. As a more active trader, as a trader rather than investor, I'm currently short of gold.
Understood.
Thinking that we're going to pull back down to about at least 1,250, 1,240 area, i.e. the top of the trend line. Then I'll see what happens. Then I'm going to see whether we go back below it or not, okay?
Would you be looking to increase that short, and what would be the drivers to make you do that?
I would be, and I'm waiting for tomorrow's weekly close to see whether it is below 1,290, and then I would increase my short. I mean, it's only a small position I've got, it's a trading position, but I would do it on Friday's close. So I'm confident that that thing up there, that little mountain peak, is a blip. It really is a false break, and something silly that shouldn't have happened, really.
Understood. Downward trend on gold. Nicole, thank you very much for joining us.